Hey guys, what's going on? Michael Noble here, manager of No Boundaries Real Estate Solutions and Realtor with eXp Realty. However, I have a weekend project going on. I just finished it. There it is. It's a fire pit. We got it done the day before Memorial Day. Gonna have a little cookout on Monday. And here's the deal. This thing took like three and a half hours. And in a video that I'm gonna show you right now, I'm gonna tell you everything we did to go ahead and make this fire pit you see right behind me. So I hope you enjoy it. Super easy project. Get a friend, tackle it this weekend, guys. Enjoy your outdoor spaces. Okay, so now that we know what we're doing, let's talk about the first thing you're gonna do before you go and start building your outdoor fire pit yourself. So you're gonna wanna think about safety. Now fire, it has tongues and they like lash up real high. So you sure as hell don't wanna go build it underneath things like a tree or a cable. So I'm gonna show you my backyard and then you gotta tell me where we're gonna put it or not put it. So here we go. Okay, so here's part of the backyard right now. We got a nice like silver maple-ish tree over there. We have a walnut tree right here. We're sure as hell not going to build underneath those two things because if the fire gets too hot, too high, things are too dry, I have a big problem. Now, as we turn this way, we have a nice space right around here that I think we'll go ahead and pick. I'm not going to build it right there because that's a cable. That's actually my internet cable. We're not going to set that on fire. And we're going to go ahead and start digging right around this spot right there. All right, speaking of safety first, got my sunglasses on. I'm all sunscreened up, so that's going to be great. Now, I want to go ahead and tell you kind of what we're doing first. I already mentioned that we're digging, but I didn't tell you quite the size, anything like that. You know, your fire pit could be really any diameter, 36, 48, maybe you want something bigger. However, whatever the diameter is, or, you know, the area, it could be a square fire pit. You're going to want to take your shovel and dig in that area about a foot below, okay? Because your fire pit's not actually going to sit on like the ground. The pavers are going to be above the hole, but that hole actually needs to be below, okay? Okay guys, so we're gonna build the fire pit, but before we get too much more into it, let's just real quick talk about the materials. So my wife and I, we already went over to a local hardware store. We bought a shovel. We were gonna have to dig, right? We bought about two 25 to 30 pound bags of just like of all-purpose sand. We bought some pavers, two different stones, about 45 each of them. Our fire pit should be about 36 inches in diameter when it's done. I'll be sure to show you those pavers as well. Also pick up some like flat pavers or stones. Maybe you have cinder blocks at home already, because when you dig that hole below the surface, below the grade, you're going to want to pour the sand in, get some of that stone and then sand again on top of it, make it nice and flat. And then maybe pavers one more time. You can do it any number of ways. That's just kind of how we have picked it. And you might want to get a rake depending on what you are doing in a cover. If you're doing something else fancy, be sure to get that as well. So those are the materials. Let's go ahead and get started. All right guys, we got the hole dug out. There it is. Sand is right there. That's gonna go in, that's the next step. And I also have a pro tip for you. Okay, so here's the pro tip for you. If you're gonna be digging a hole anyways, you're gonna have some dirt. Take a quick look around the perimeter of your house and see if you need to get some more dirt around the side of it. What you're wanting is a nice grade away from the home. For many of you that have homes that get water in the basement, this could be one of the things that you need to do to help prevent that. Homes that have insufficient grade against the side of the house are going to have water that somewhat pools in there, seeping along that foundation wall. So get some dirt, get a grade, send the water away. Hey guys, all right, so the blocks are down. Didn't show you that part, but we have the sand in. If I was thinking, what I would have done was got a level, made sure the pit was level, so I probably have a crooked fire pit, but you're not gonna be able to tell once the actual ring is around it. So here's what that looks like. So there's the sand, got it spread out. The cinder blocks are all underneath it. Holy crap. Just unloaded the car of all the stone. So something I didn't mess up on, which a lot of you are probably gonna do too, you probably should like measure the diameter of the ground before you start digging, because we got it to fit, but now we have to go and buy more stone because the fire pit's a little larger than we thought it was. Anyways, not a big deal. It looks nice. Let me go ahead and show you what it looks like as we stack the stone. Here's the fire pit. Jennifer's out here stacking the stone around it. It looks pretty good. As you see, we have to go and get more stone for that third row. Not a big deal, but all in all, it's not been too bad. It's taken about 2 hours between the digging, the shoveling, the carrying, and the stacking. So, what do you think? Just got back from the store. I bought the last 9 bricks. We were 9 each short, 18 bricks total, like 15 bucks. And we have a completed fire pit now. So all in all, trip to the store, 3.5, 4 hours. Not bad at all, if I don't say so myself. So, without further ado, let me go ahead and show you what this weekend fire pit project looks like. And ta-da! Here's the fire pit. Not too bad, right? Like it? So, I don't know what you all did with your weekend, but here's what we did with ours.